country. All Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country and proud of each ridge and very heritage. I shall always strive to worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and elders. I shanty everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my parents. Thank you. Thank you, sir.